Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
खोल्ले 4-5 जणांमदी बारीकशे किजील राती टू व्हीलरीक उजो घालपा मेरेन पावले. सध्या 12 नवीच उक्ती जाल्यात. कळटा ते प्रमाण 4-5 जाण खंय एकठांय मारपाक बशिल्ले. हे किजिलात स्कूटरीचे डिकीत थोडे पैसे आणि डॉक्युमेंट आसले तेय खंय लासले. मजगती वेळसाव कोलवा पोलीस स्टेशनाच्या कॉन्स्टेबलाची मोटार लासून काबार. गाडी कॉन्स्टेबल रोहन नायकाची. इंडिकेटर डेंजर सिग्नल दाखयता म्हूण तो गाडयेंतल्यान देंवलो आनी गाडयेन पेट घेतलो. प्रकार कितें ताची चौकशी चल्ल्या.
Rohan Naik was proceeding to his residence late at night after finishing his duty, and while driving he saw one red color light in the ignition in the dial saying danger. So he immediately stopped the vehicle, put off the vehicle, waited for some time, and got out of the car. Then again he sat in the car and he started his vehicle and he started moving. And when he reached at the Jubilee Hall, Wellsound, again he saw the red light coming in the ignition. So he again got down and went at some distance and waited. And in some time he saw a dust smoke coming out from the car. So that time he immediately contacted the police. So immediately we rushed to the spot, and the further inquiry is in progress. Investigation is in progress.